Dick Van Dyke.
And what will be your fate?
These snakes.
The dust of 3,000 disturbed in this ancient burial chamber.
You shall all pay with your lives.
Somewhere Over the Rainbow, one of the most beloved movies of all time.
The wicked old witch at last is dead. Who killed my sister? Who killed the Witch of the East? Was it you?
No, it was an accident. I didn't mean to kill anybody.
Well, my little pretty, I can cause accidents too.
Oh, rubbish. You have no power here. Be gone before somebody drops a house on you, too.
Very well. I'll bide my time. But just try to stay out of my way. Just try. I'll get you, my pretty. And your little dog, too.
I wonder how we get out of here. What do you folks think? Which way do we go?
Follow me.